Should I go for a plain or patterned fabric for my curtains?
Hello, wonderful viewers. Today, we're diving into a common decor dilemma. Should you choose plain or patterned fabric for your curtains? Let's weigh the pros and cons of each to help you make an informed decision.
What's the look you're going for?
The first thing you need to consider is the overall aesthetic you're aiming to achieve in your room. Plain curtains often lend a clean, minimalist, and timeless look. They're versatile and can easily blend with multiple decor styles without overpowering the room. Patterned curtains can act as a statement piece, adding vibrancy, depth, and character to a space. They're great for rooms that might need a touch of energy or a focal point.
What about maintenance?
Another crucial aspect to consider is the upkeep of the curtains. Plain fabrics generally show wear and tear less obviously than patterned ones, and can sometimes be easier to clean, depending on the fabric type. Patterned fabrics, especially those with dark or busy patterns, can be quite forgiving when it comes to stains or dust. However, they might require specific care when washing to ensure the pattern doesn't fade or bleed.
Will they match your current or future decor?
Think about the longevity of your decor choices. Plain curtains are usually a safe bet if you frequently change up your room's decor. They can complement a variety of styles without clashing. Patterned curtains, while fabulous, might limit your future decor choices. If you pick a very specific pattern now, you might find it clashes with new furniture or wall colors you choose later on. In the end, whether you choose plain or patterned curtains largely depends on your personal style, maintenance preferences, and long-term decor plans. Whatever you decide, remember that the right choice is the one that makes your space feel like home. We hope this discussion has brought some clarity to your curtain conundrum. Happy decorating!